Welcome to Future Direct Irish Immigration Services. In this video, we will walk you through the registration process of the new immigration self-service portal. Let's begin. First, click the Login or Register button and select the Don't Have an Account option. You will reach the first registration page. You must have a valid email address to receive a verification code. After verification, input all your personal details, including your nationality and phone number. It is advisable to use a valid Ireland phone number as you will need to receive another verification code and text message. After the phone verification, you will receive a text message with a link to download IDPal for passport verification. You will need to take a photo of your passport and yourself, so keep your passport ready. Scan and submit your passport and facial scan. Review the details of your information and click Confirm to submit your submission to the Department of Justice. Your documents will be reviewed by the authorities and you will receive a notification. Finally, you are all set. You can use this portal to book registration appointments, track application status, and raise related immigration queries. If you have any immigration questions or need assistance, reach out to Future Direct and let us help you with your queries. Thank you for watching.